always been told to love myself. I try, but I can never understand.
Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. As promised in my last video, I did mention that I was going to do a video today on cooking a ketogenic roast leg of lamb with keto side dishes. So this is a dinner dish. I'm out of breath. I've been running around all day like a headless chook. So if you're interested to see how I prepare and cook this piece of beautiful kosher halal Australian lamb, then please keep on watching. So let's get started. I've got a shoulder leg of lamb here, and I'm going to keep this beautiful fat on there. I've also got 4 cloves of garlic, some rosemary, half a lemon squeezed, and some salt and pepper. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a few slits into the meat, and I'm going to put in this garlic. You don't want too much garlic, just enough to get that aromatic flavour. Now this meat is great Australian lamb, great for a roast, and it'll feed the whole family. So I'm just going to turn it over like that, and with the actual rosemary, I'm also going to just stick it into the slit, and whatever's left over, obviously, I'm just going to put into this baking dish. Can go in there, can go in there, and the rest I'm just going to take off the stem like that, flip it over. I'm going to now pour the lemon juice over the top, olive oil, some Himalayan rock salt, now that's all it is, and all I'm going to do now is cover the pan with some aluminium foil. So now I'm just going to put the lamb into the oven at around 180 to 200 Celsius for a couple of hours, because this is actually going to be for dinner, and we won't be eating dinner till around 7 p.m. So it'll be slow cooking in the oven, and some of the side dishes will be asparagus and also some broccoli and spinach. So I'm just going to put this in the oven, and then I will show you how I cook my greens. My mother's in the background. I'll check you later. So I'm just going to pan fry some asparagus, some olive oil. This only takes about 5 minutes anyway, so I'm just preparing the asparagus in advance. Beautiful. Some salt and some pepper. The asparagus is all cooked up, and now all I need to do is some spinach. So I've just uncovered the roast beef, and you can see all the juices that has been released from the cooking process, plus the rendering of the fat. So now I'm going to put it back into the oven uncovered to get a really crispy crust. I've just taken it out of the oven. Look at that magnificent crust, beautifully roasted shoulder leg of lamb, some sweet potatoes and some asparagus. To get the juices out of the pan, make a gravy using some beef stock, the juices, and just reduce that down. I'm finished in the kitchen. I'm ready to serve dinner to the family. So again, I want to thank you for watching this video on how I prepared and cooked a leg of lamb roast. So if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and make sure you click that notification bell for all the upcoming videos. I'm going to go now, so I'll check you in my next video. Bye for now.